Hi, welcome to Gin Fun at winemastery.co.uk. My name's John Lightfoot. This is
John Murphy.
And we're here talking about gin, and that's why we call it Gin Fun. We'll see you in a second. And here we are. Now, the gin that we're actually tasting today is called Arber, I believe.
Ah, yeah, this is...
Ah, no, not R.
Agnus Arber.
Agnus Arber.
Agnus Arber, yeah.
After a lady who was a botanicalist, something like that, in the 1800s. She died in 1960, I seem to recall.
Still laughing at you, botanicalist. is that a thing?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, go on.
So this gin has been actually sort of blended in her honour with 9 botanicals, and they'll be listed below, but I know Orange and... the old Juni's in it, of course.
Oh, Juni's always in it, yeah. I saw
yeah.
Coriander in there as well.
Coriander as well, yeah. So we'll listen below. Liquorice is one of them as well, isn't it?
Oh, yes.
Oh,
okay.
Let's hope it doesn't go on your tongue. I know what you're like with licorice on your tongue.
Well, we'll see. Let's have a judge.
Okay, should we have a little whiffy first?
We can do.
Interesting. I'll get the orange straight away.
Yeah, and obviously the Juniper's in there.
The old Juni's in there, yeah.
It's like that pine foresty smell. No, I can't. To be fair, I can't get much more out of that. I'm not.
No, I'm just getting the orange and the Juni. I used to have an Auntie June.
You've got lots of aunties, haven't you?
I have actually. Well, there are lots of great aunties because my granddad had 13 sisters.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Is it?
Well, no, actually, I think he had 13 siblings.
13 siblings in total?
Yeah.
That's a lot, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Crikey. Okay, I'm going to give this a go.
Okay. First thing to say, it's not burning its way down or anything.
No.
Taste is quite light.
Quite smooth and creamy on the texture of that. It's not.
Yeah.
You say no alcohol burn.
No.
Warming. I'll give it the warming.
Yeah.
But that's a nice thing.
That's a nice thing. It is. But it's very sort of refreshing. That sort of citrusy, clear the palate. Ideal for before tasting wine.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
And it is. It's clean. None of that soapiness.
No.
And there's none of that licorice so far. It sits on the tongue. No. You said that you're right. The kind of citrusy orange thing comes through really quite strong. And then obviously that Juniper's in there. There's something right at the end there though. I'll have another taste. Let's see if we can find it. Almost earthy.
Earthy.
Earthy, but I don't know if I'm allowed to.
Well, like Pinot Noir sort of earthy. But that means sort of like forest floor smell.
Yeah. It's difficult because I can't quite put my finger on. Exactly. I should know better. Exactly, because it's hard to describe. But what I'm thinking here, John, is it's got an earthiness, but like a little bit of a. And this sounds odd, but dusty, but not but not in a bad way. And almost, it's the flavour. There's flavours there that shouldn't.
That shouldn't be there.
It's. Right, I'll say it because it sounds odd. It's a bit mushroomy. Mushroomy. But I think it's a combination of. I'm struggling to describe it. It's nice, and it's very interesting. Like an earthy, dusty mushroom.
I don't think you're selling it to the folks. Actually.
I'm not, but I can assure you what it is. It's very interesting because it's got lots of
components.
Yeah. That's I mean, we've yet to try it with the tonic, but I'm going to guess that this for me. Well, we'll see. The tonic might bring it out a little bit more, help it. But I'm liking this neat.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it. Neat. Yeah,
because it's so many little bits there that he's saying. It's like one of these good wines, you know, when you put in the glass on your face constantly, you're thinking, what's that flavour? What's that? And what you're finding. Yeah, I'm enjoying it.
Yeah. But you mentioned tonic. Should we give that a go and see if it brings anything else out?
I think that's a good idea.
Okay. Voila.
Voila.
Tonic added.
Indeed.
And we're using the Fever Tree
Naturally light.
Naturally light, thank you. Naturally light.
Refreshingly light.
It's not natural at all.
No.
Otherwise it wouldn't be refreshing if it was natural.
No, I'm sorry, John. Stop it.
How can you tell I was doing anything?
Because you go quiet for a bit. I know what you're up to. Now that.
I smell orange and I can smell tonic. I'm not getting anything else then.
You know what I'm getting? You're not going to... Well,
what?
I'm getting that mushroomy smell. I'm getting it. I've got the orange is predominantly in there, and obviously the tonic kind of underlying, but as you're just pulling it away...
When I put it away, the smell just gets weaker.
It's like that.
The same smell.
It's right at the back of the... Right at the back of your nose. That's what that earthy... Remember that when I was tasting it, I said earthy, dusty, mushroomy?
Yeah.
But the mushroominess is... It's in there. It's in there, yeah. I can smell it. Right, so it tastes. It's there, quite.
I can't get it at all.
No, don't worry.
I still get the orange.
Orange is there.
Still get the Juni.
Yeah.
But it's not as complex as it was. It seems to... Whilst I couldn't recognise what the other flavours were, I was conscious that there were other complexities in the taste. Tonic seems to have washed that out.
Yeah, I think you're spot on there, John. It's it's kind of like you said. We've got the orange comes through there, and the Juni comes through there as well. You can taste that, but it's very, very little. That earthiness is gone. The tonic seems to have kind of flattened or covered all those, like you say, the complexities, and even if you didn't know what they were, you were aware they were there. And that for me now, without sounding awful, I don't think I'm sounding awful when saying this, but that it's just a fairly generic G&T now.
That's a very nice G&T.
It is, but
not one where you're gonna. This is one you're just gonna be on the lawn. You're gonna be talking to people, enjoying it, but not actually thinking, "What can I taste?"
With the straw water again, yeah. No, this is that's exactly it. You would just...
Hey, I think it could be hay bolted on the street.
Scared me a little bit. Just for a second there, John. Stop it. But for me, you know, drinking that neat, there were all sorts in there. We'll try and pick it out and think, and it was quite intriguing trying to find the flavours in there. It was a little bit of a challenge, and it was interesting and complex and a pleasure. There's nothing bad about it, but for me, it's just taken away all the complexity, which I was really enjoying drinking neat.
And I think probably because you were hoping it was going to bring out some other flavours, that sort of led to a disappointment. Probably if we'd done it the other way round, you probably would have thought this is a really nice gin and tonic. And then,
I said there's nothing all wrong with it. I think when I had that smell, I could smell that mushroomy in there. I thought, wow, that is really has. You know, I thought I was going to get some. I mean, it's a nice gin and tonic. That is, in my opinion, it's a fairly generic one. This could be, like you say, any gin and tonic. Yeah. There's others I would go for over this, where I've had gin and tonics where they really work together and complement, and I just don't. For me, that doesn't really. No. But
you may have a completely different view, but for us, I guess this is one to get out of the cupboard when you want to taste a neat gin.
Nice neat gin. Spend time over it. Trying to find all those like we were just doing. But hey-ho, I'm not complaining.
No, would we ever?
No.
Would we ever? Absolutely not. So, excellent. Well, until the next one then, let's say cheerio. And if you're enjoying these, please subscribe at the bottom. It'll be somewhere around. And press that little bell, it'll go ding, and then you'll get all our latest videos as they're published. So we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Chin chin.
Chin chin.